Jane from Clark's Outdoors. This is a twin system water filtration. As you can see, it has two different types of filters. So one removes sediment, the other helps to remove chemicals and leaves your water tasting really good. So made out of really good quality sturdy plastic. It has a mounting system if you need, and it also comes with brass hose fittings, which are a much better quality than just using plastic. So really easy to swap the filters over. They just unscrew and the filter swaps in and screws back on again. Thanks for watching.